Hi, I'm Marsh, and this is realistic fishing. Keep it realistic.
Oh, hey, before I forget, shout out to Mr. Go Blue Guy for being first comment on the last video. Some jackass tried to downplay it like it wasn't a big deal or wasn't important. But it's important to me, so Mr. Go Blue Guy, I appreciate you, and that other guy can piss off. Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. We're over here at the log. As you can see, it's a gray, gloomy fall day. But we're still going to get down here and see if we can catch any fish. Hopefully a crappie. Let's work our way down the wet and slippery path, nice and slow. Gotta know where the rocks are. Made it. Now today I'm fishing with a reel that iFish built. We're using the 13 Fishing Code Black, rebuilt by iFish, upgraded bearings, grease, handle, gave it a good look over. We're ready to go. This line is thinner than my typical line. I have a feeling he put this on there. This feels like mono, 2 pound, maybe 4 pound. We're gonna try it out. It's not snag friendly line. I prefer 6 pound test because of all the obstacles here, but we're gonna give it a shot. We're hoping for bluegill, crappie, anything but multiple snags. I might have to mess with the depth. We might even need to change lures. I don't know what's gonna happen. We're gonna work it out though. We're gonna catch a fish. All right, there are some fish around. I'm getting some bites. No aggressive takers yet. I hope this line is strong enough to lift a fish out of the water over that brush and onto the bank, because that's what's going to have to happen.
This is Slash Gills from the Juggalo Fishing Posse, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Yeah, reel feels nice, the handle feels nice, reel's nice and smooth. Look at that boil. Fish on. Nice, got a bluegill here, first fish of the day. Check out our first fish. Nice, got about a 7.5 inch bluegill here. He's ready to jump. But yeah, as I was saying, reel feels nice. Oh, I felt that. Oh, again. Got him that time. Smaller bluegill. No. Well, it was a 4-inch bluegill. So far, so good. Oh, I had a bite right away. Got him. Oh, I got a little bit of a clicky clacky noise in the handle here. Did you hear it? Easy. Another small one. See if I can recreate the clicky clacky noise. Oh, look at this. Hey, I had a bite. Look at this. Every once in a while, the handle meets up. Oh, I got a fish. But the handle meets up with the bail. That should never happen. Not enough clearance. Look at that. Huh. Oh man, that's not good. I might need to put the old handle back on. This one just doesn't, it's not wide enough. It doesn't have enough gap.
Hey y'all, this is Matt from Ghost Town Blues Band, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Remember to keep it realistic.
What am I at so far? 3 bluegill, huh? Let's try by the log. I want a crappie. Oh man, I had a bite. Oh, got one right here in front. Bluegill. Missed the other one, got this one. Here we go, rebound bluegill. Got him right after I missed another one. It landed in front of me and the fish was there. Got him. There we go. Raising the bobber again helped. Another bluegill. Nice. Got about a 7-incher here. Maybe 6 3/4. Tell your friends you were on Realistic Fishing, and he let you go. Let's see what else we can find. Fishing about 4 feet deep now. Ooh, danger zone out there by the log. Come on, crappie though. This is where they're at. Come on, take it under nice and slow and stay under. Where's that crappie bite? You can tell when it's a crappie. It goes down and it just keeps going down. Not like that. That was a bluegill. All right, another 5-inch bluegill. We're in December out here catching bluegill. Luckily, it's a mild day. Just foggy and rainy today. Another fish. Time for a new minnow. That one was so torn up. Fish? Oh, I had a fish. What the hell was that? As soon as it hit the water, thought I was snagged. It was a fish. Small one. Come on, out there by the log. There we go. That's a good cast. Do I need to fish even deeper? I think I'm at 4 feet. I could go to 5 or 6 feet. There's another bluegill. A little bit better. A little bit of meat on this one. Yeah, 6.5, 7.
This is Aaron from Pennsylvania, and you're watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.
Fish. Another bluegill. Never would have thought. But I'm catching bluegill in December. What are you catching from the bank? Anything? I'm still happy to be out fishing. Every once in a while I get some comments like, it's so nice that you can go fishing there and there's no one else around. And that's on purpose, you know, fish on. If there were other people around, I typically leave. A lot of people just don't want to be in videos. I don't want to have people on video if they don't want to be on video. And the fishing is just not as good when you're competing against somebody. Here's another 6-inch bluegill. It's not like no one goes to these spots. People fish these spots. These are common bank fishing spots. Some of the only public parks around to go fishing. So people come here. It's just that if they're here, I leave. Fish. That's a good fish. Is that a bluegill? There we go. Another nice bluegill. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Well, that does it for this trip. The only thing biting were bluegill, and I'm fine with that. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.